Hello, everyone. The construction industry is continually evolving with new methodologies, driven by advancements in technology. These innovations enable us to build structures more quickly and safely. Moreover, construction workers are employing ingenious techniques. In this video, we'll explore some remarkable methods and technologies being utilized in the construction sector. You might be encountering some of these for the first time. The solar tunnel is an innovative system designed to channel natural sunlight into indoor areas that lack sufficient light. By directing sunlight into these spaces, it reduces the need for artificial lighting, thereby saving energy and making interiors feel more open and healthy. This environmentally friendly solution not only cuts down on fossil fuel consumption, but also enhances people's mood and well-being by providing natural light. MC Inject 2133 is a single-component hydrophobic injection resin that quickly reacts and foams upon contact with water. This resin is specifically designed for sealing water leaks in porous building materials, including concrete walls and rocks. Key features. 1. Rapid reaction. MC Inject 2133 foams within seconds when exposed to water, providing a swift sealing solution. 2. Effective sealing. The resin forms a large volume of foam, efficiently filling cracks and gaps to prevent water ingress. 3. Flexibility. Once hardened, the foam maintains a flexible structure, making it effective in sealing even moving cracks. 4. High-pressure resistance. MC Inject 2133 is capable of stopping leaks even under high-pressure water conditions. This versatile resin ensures a fast, reliable, and durable solution for water sealing challenges in various construction applications. Lier Durasol merges the top qualities of concrete and wood into a single, lightweight, and highly insulating building material. It distinguishes itself with its environmental friendliness and energy efficiency, making it a popular choice in contemporary architecture. Durasol speeds up construction with its modular design and reduces the load on structural systems due to its lighter weight compared to other building materials. Structa-wire is a unique kind of steel specifically utilized in the construction industry. These wires play a crucial role in reinforcing concrete structures by holding, stretching, and strengthening the reinforcement. The advantages of using Structa-wire in reinforced concrete are substantial. Due to its high strength and flexibility, it enhances the load-bearing capacity of these structures. Additionally, by adapting to the movements of concrete, it helps prevent the formation of cracks. Structa-wire also extends the lifespan of structures because of its resistance to corrosion. Moreover, it enables the construction of structures with varied geometries, providing greater versatility in design. Shoring is a company dedicated to the unique task of elevating homes. This intricate process involves reinforcing the home's foundation and carefully lifting the entire structure from its current base. There are several reasons why homeowners might choose this service, including flood prevention, addressing ground settlement issues, or the desire to add an additional floor. Using specialized equipment, the house is meticulously and gradually raised. Once elevated, a new, robust foundation is constructed beneath the house. This system offers an efficient solution for constructing monolithic floors, enabling rapid and cost-effective building. The assembly process is notably swift, leading to shortened construction timelines. Economically, it outperforms traditional methods by requiring less labor and fewer materials. This approach is particularly advantageous for large-scale projects, providing substantial time and cost savings. The resulting structures are durable and long-lasting due to their high load-bearing capacity. Additionally, when combined with supplementary insulation materials, this system provides excellent sound and heat insulation. The Stofix brick cladding system provides buildings with a natural brick appearance for their exterior facades. Each brick panel is prefabricated in a factory and then installed directly onto the building's wall. This method is lighter, quicker, and simpler to apply compared to traditional brick walls, reducing the load on the building's structural system. The Stofix system is known for its durability, longevity, and aesthetic appeal, making it an excellent choice for exterior facades. This system enhances the look and durability of your columns, offering a stylish finish in a short amount of time using basic tools. No need for mortar or adhesives. Its natural stone-like designs bring elegance to your structure. The material is UV, moisture, and abrasion resistant, ensuring long-lasting performance. The system wraps around the column and is secured with easy-to-use connectors.